In this video, you can disable right-click on your WordPress site, discouraging people from right-clicking and copying the text content or saving our site images to their computer. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and click bell icon. It encourages us to make more and more videos for you. So let's get started. First, we need to go to the plugin page and search for this disable right-click for WP plugin. Next, we can install the plugin and activate the plugin here. Once installed and activated, we need to click Settings tab, and again we need to go to Disable Right-click WP Settings page. Here we need to select Yes to display right-click is disabled on our site for visitor. This disable right-click will not work when we are logged into our WordPress site as the admin. We can log out and visit the site page as a visitor to confirm right-click is disabled and done successfully. With this, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like, comment and share the video if you found it helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon as it encourages us to make more and more videos like this for you.